Wobby is a magazine about draftsmanship, illustration, and two-dimensional media, and I think it's also like a springboard for young talent. To Riso or not is a question about one of the graphic workplaces and how to use the different techniques and see what happens when you start combining them.
I am Fischer. I am a 27-year-old painter from Tilburg, and I make figurative paintings and drawings as well. Besides my studio practice, I also organize art-related events, which are most of the time a little bit funny as well. I think it comes natural to me to make jokes about stuff, but regarding the events, I think it's very important to not take it too seriously. I think like making woodcuts would like feel natural because it's very physical. I can play with my like figurative stories or storytelling. I've worked at Riso one time before this week. It was with Wobby.club, with Marjolein. Yeah, I really liked it. It was very unknown to me, so I still had to like puzzle a bit with layers, and yeah, I really like that aspect of it, that you have to think in different layers and not just one image.
My name is Hussel, and I'm living in Rotterdam, and I studied in Den Bosch in St. Just, the master program of fine arts, and I also did painting and drawing before when I was younger. The reason I applied the Wobby.club, I just want to get close to my history. I just want to approach a younger version of me. On the one hand, it's nice. Here has a lot of freedom in the artist circle. But on the other hand, I feel freedom. There's often, when you have to follow the rule, then there's more freedom in a way. I mean, maybe it's only from me. So when you can be as free as possible, I also get confused. What I really want? Yeah.
My name is Hyacinth. I graduated last year for test illustration design. I'm an illustrator, but also an artist and ceramist. I bought a tufting gun. Now I make these huge pieces made out of wool. So that's something I really like to do. Taking illustration to another level. In illustration, I didn't really like to stick to just paper and pencils, so mainly I started doing ceramics as well, so I could use like another backgrounds for my illustrations. And I think with wool it's the same thing. You have less room for details, but sometimes that's just something that really works for me. I do use a lot of colors in my work. I mainly also like to make things that I would like to have in my home, and I also stick to very strict color schedule. So people are often surprised because my work is very colorful and I mainly dress in black. For my graduation show, painted everything pink, and everyone was like, "Oh, it's too pink." I wanted to be very visible. I think I get inspiration from all the things I see in my daily life, what kind of street art is out there, and other things that maybe are not seen as art but inspire me. I like to go on walks through the nature. I have a lot of cows in my work. So being an artist, you can make a cow pink if you like to.